सोचिए अगर आप बिना रुके इंग्लिश पढ़ सके, हर वर्ड का मतलब समझ सके और कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल भी सके, सिर्फ रोज़ थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस करके। आज की वीडियो में हम एक इंटरेस्टिंग सी स्टोरी पढ़ेंगे जो आपकी रीडिंग स्किल को इम्प्रूव करेगी और लास्ट में आपको कुछ नए वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स भी सिखाऊंगी जो आप अपने डेली कन्वर्सेशन में यूज़ कर सकते हैं। तो वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। One rainy afternoon, Emma wandered into a dusty old bookstore at the corner of her street. It wasn't her usual kind of place, but the smell of rain and old paper drew her in. As she walked through aisles, her eyes fell on a leather bound book with gold lettering that read, The Secrets of Time. Curious, she picked it up. The moment she opened the first page, the shopkeeper, an elderly man with a long white beard, appeared out of nowhere. "Ah, you found it," he said in a whispery voice. "That book chooses its reader." Emma laughed nervously. "What do you mean?" "You will see," he replied mysteriously and disappeared into the back room. Confused but intrigued, Emma decided to buy the book. That night, as she began reading, she realized it wasn't an ordinary book. Each chapter described a moment in her own life, things only she knew. The last chapter had only one line: "Your story isn't finished yet. Turn the page tomorrow." Emma didn't sleep that night. Who wrote the book? And how did it know her life so well? The next morning, she rushed back to the bookstore, but it had vanished. In its place was an empty lot, as if it had never existed. Emma clutched the mysterious book tightly. From that day on, she became the writer of her own story, deciding her fate with every step she took. The moral of the story: your life is a story and you hold the pen. Now let's come to vocabulary. Wandered means चिंतित रूप से इधर उधर घूमना. Whisperly, फुसफुसाहट. Nervously, चिंतित या भयभीत होकर. Vanished, गायब. Clutched, जकड़ लिया. What do you mean by fate? Write the meaning in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe.